guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been so long and I can't wait to get back into making videos again. Yeah, excuse my background, it's kind of messy because we're moving to a different place, but I'm so excited to share with you guys. So right now it's snowing out and this is how it's looking like right now. We are pretty much I guess we're gonna be having at least like 20 inches of snow today. Like you guys could see, like the cars are like halfway covered already, but those who know me personally, y'all know that I love the snow. So me and my fiance are gonna go outside and play later, so stay tuned. All right, so I'm gonna tell you guys what I'm wearing outside. So I'm gonna wear this. Well, I'm gonna wear the scarf, obviously, but I'm gonna wear this long ass socks to protect myself. And we are going to put this jacket to test. You guys that live in the East Coast, you know what's up. But yeah, I'm not gonna wear anything under to see if I'm not gonna feel any like coldness, because it claims to like keep you warm and stuff during this type of weather. So yeah, I can't wait. So I'm just gonna get ready and I will see you guys outside. I am so excited. I'm acting like I've never seen the freaking snow before. Yes. Why is it blurry? I had to lend him some of my stuff, so don't judge if he's wearing my headphones. If you guys love the snow, comment down below. We out here, guys. Look at this. Ready? Oh my gosh, it's so freaking beautiful. Freaking love this. You're right. What are you putting? Oh my god. The car is gone. Let's go see. Guys, this is how bad the damage is. So by tomorrow, it's gone. Yep. You okay? You alright? You're wet, honey.
I don't know how to get to work, guys.
He's always been so excited for the snow. Here we go. Well guys, that was a mission. My hair is all over the place. He's dying. So yeah, we're gonna go back inside. I'm back inside. and we are going to make chicken bulldog, and I'm going to make some jalapeno poppers. Yep. Well, guys, that's my day. So I still need to get back to packing. So I'll see you guys next video. Peace.